Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for a studio tour. So we converted a bedroom in our house into an office space, and then the closet in that bedroom into my studio space, and this is where I'm at with it right now. I use a high-grade, professional quality soundproofing foam that I got from Guitar Center. Don't get the cheap stuff that you see on Amazon because you need to save a buck. Just spring for the nice stuff, you won't regret it. And then, I don't know if you can tell, but I actually fixed a rug to both sides of this door to give it some density and weight, which also helps with the soundproofing. And then recently I cleaned up all the cables that I had on the floor and made it nice and neat and pretty. And say hi to Aztec, my little stinker. I put some string lights up around the room. The walls are yellow and white, which gives that nice, warm, cozy glow that I like whenever I'm recording. In the corners, you'll see moss-covered bass traps that I made. They work perfectly. It's just a piece of plywood, some soundproofing foam with fabric stapled around the back, and then I decorated the outsides. And then I have two 5-inch JBL speakers, which is more than sufficient for my needs. And it's perfect whenever I'm doing my quality control, whenever I'm sending tracks. So I don't have to worry about any type of studio that I'm sending my tracks to because I know that everything I hear through my speakers is the highest professional quality and everything is perfectly balanced. And then in the center of the desk, you'll see that I have an Audient Id4 Interface, which is very intuitive to use, nice, small, and compact, and very reliable. I also have AKG headphones and an AKG C414 microphone that I'm in love with, and I highly recommend it for anybody looking for a microphone upgrade. On the wall, you'll see that I have a TV mounted, and recently I actually moved it higher up on the wall and attached an extendable arm to it so I can move it around the room. I moved it up because it's important for me to be able to see the screen clearly as I'm recording, and before I had it almost directly in front of me, so sometimes the words would get lost behind my microphone. The only thing that's a little tricky about making your own home studio is the ventilation can be a little bit of a pain because if you have really good ventilation, sometimes it compromises your sound quality. So what I did was I just got a little USB fan, desk fan that I have that I turn on in between my recordings to keep it from turning into a sauna. If you have any recommendations that make it a little easier or a little cooler, I would love to hear them because I live in Texas and it gets hot. And that's about it. If you have any questions about my gear or any comments to make, just let me know in the comments below and I will see you next time. Bye.